Hey guys, so I've been waiting for this pre-order package that I ordered from the Glam Supply. I'm so excited to open it even though I know what's inside. But let's get into this unboxing. Let me get my scissors. Okay, good, let's open. Put this table. I'm so excited to show y'all what's in here. And no, this is not a yarn video, but hey, this is my channel. I like makeup, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I don't know if I'm opening this right, but it's gonna get open today. I think I'm opening it right. I think so, yeah. This is really tight. See, I didn't open this before the video. I should cut this off first. Okay. Okay, I got one side. I'm missing one side. Hold on. This is a cute packaging little shiny box. I'm so cute. Oh, yes, see this? Got a nose. What's this? Before you continue to open this package, set up your camera and record your reaction. I'm doing that. Tag us TG Supply in a direct message. Oh, I'm gonna tag TG Supply. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. You get a little message here. Get a little message, a little thank you message. Be bold, be unique, be a showstopper. I just read the bold part. Love name. Yay! Ooh, what is this? What's this? It's on the top. This is on top. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what it is. I pre-ordered this. I was waiting for this package, y'all. You don't know how excited I am. This is my first reaction, for real. No editing. This is my first reaction. Oh, this pen is so cute. Look at the little diamond on top. Oh my god, it's cute. This is nice. This is so nice. It's so nice. I like this pen. It's so cute. It's a big diamond too. That's cute. I'm excited. Look how it look inside. If I didn't show you already. But look. Got the little confetti stuff. I got the OMG bundle. Y'all didn't know I got the OMG bundle. Get you one. Oh, I got some beauty blenders. Oh, I need some new ones. Oh, it's so cute. I got with three beauty blenders. Of course, the lashes. Needed these. I needed these. I got them. I needed these. 2 lashes. You got 2 lashes. Ooh. If y'all want to see me put these on and do my makeup, let me know down in below. And it comes with a little receipt too. And then the cut crease kit. Yay! Oh, I opened it before I even showed it up. But I'm so excited. I was so excited to open this. You don't know how excited I was to open this. Cut crease. Good supply exclusive. Oh my goodness. I'm all excited. I'm so excited. cut crease brushes. Woo! It's so cute. Look at it. So cute. Package cute. Brush is cute. Everything is just cute, cute, cute. If you like this, the link will be down below how you can get it. TG Supply. And they hooked us up, you know. I like it. I'm excited to use this. Can't wait. And I'm out.